Is that all? That little thing? Okay. So you've got a resort building, floating chalets. You didn't say floating. Very cool. What's it called? Mourjan? Amphitheater. So the F&B hub will be a lot of, like a strip with a lot of different offerings inside. And then each chalet will be unique, or is it pretty much the same?
Have 90% seats.
Okay. Can you do this for me? Can I write down?
Each course.
Our project contains of Alitria. This is around 2,800 square meter, and it starts around 2,329 meter. F&B building, 4,500 square meter, and resort building. This is all building in land. And now we're speaking about the part of our project in C, consists of 38 chalet.
36.
38 chalets, 3 and 2 bedroom, and
2 royals, 36.
36 chalets. This is our project, and another big parking in the start of the land around 45,000 square meter parking area. This is our project. You can see this is the modeling for this project. And this is the marine for making travel and sea like this.
Like a marina building.
Marina, only this marina for enjoy things like that. If you're going to design for chalet,
Mm-hmm.
this is interior design for chalet.
Okay. So is it two-story? Two-story?
We have
No, only one is
Just one story?
Yes.
3-bedroom, 2-bedroom?
We have 3 bedroom and 2 bedroom. And 2 royals.
And 2 royal.
This only we have in chalet. There is no design.
Okay. Okay.
First of all, what is your idea about the suggestion for this chalet? What we can need of something like that? You have any suggestion about it?
I mean, I think probably the connecting pier, the connecting walkway, making sure that that's designed structurally. If you guys are wherever the scope of work ends there, and then what does the pier system look like? You know, what type of pier system? It's all structural steel, galvanized structural steel coated. That's the main foundation. Then the rest of it is pretty much a steel structure system. Maybe on a buoyancy.
You have experience to do something like that?
We have our engineers. Yeah, we have. We'll have to get our engineers involved to make sure that it's got the considerations of maybe the movement of the marina, and making sure that it can handle rising water and it's flood proof, and it has joints. You know, enough joints to be able to be mobile. All of that stuff. Yeah, yeah. We'll give you a package, what it looks like, or if you have like a BOQ or some type of
But
a
now
proposal.
we are discussing with our owner to give him our just about chalet, what we make and what is the heavy or weight for the chalet to starting calculation about our load and the reaction about our pilots.
Yeah.
Because that we want to as soon as possible
Mm-hmm.
to determine our way to get these piles and the kind of price, the piles, if it's concrete, steel,
Yeah.
whatever, something like that.
Have you guys started that already? Have you started any of those?
Yeah,
That
till
one?
now I didn't start it. I'm now in study.
You're
What
struggling.
is the short way and also have little cost.
Labor costs, labor material. It's a very unique.
Very, very unique.
Yeah.
Only when we speaking about project like that, this is in Saudi Arabia, more 3 or 4 projects at maximum, like same like this. In Middle East, when we speak about Middle East.
Yeah, I mean, we work on lakeside projects, oceanfront projects, we'll consult with our consulting engineers, our structural engineers, and we have some marine engineers to deal with we have to deal with rising tide, flooding.
We didn't speaking about the marine engineering because marine engineering only speaking about structure. A lot of engineering is speaking about the sea or port marine, something like that.
Yeah,
But if we're speaking about something for hospitality and something like that, he must going to join marine,
yeah,
floating marine,
floating,
something
yeah,
like
floating.
that.
I think a floating type of structure.
Because something like that, when you see the description for this chalet, you write floating chalet.
Is it man-made? Is it the coast? Is it off the coast? It's man-made. Everything's man-made.
It's affected to my cost.
And but you're controlling it with a system, right? Like some type of levee system where it doesn't rise the tide, right? I mean, or is it directly exposed to the Gulf?
See, he right. Floating
It's all floating. Okay, yeah. I'm not sure. That's pretty rare. Yeah, it's pretty rare. But it's a permanent structure. You want it to be there. Do you have any studies of the?
You must give me the study.
Okay. Okay.
If I have a study, I will.
Okay.
I will ask.
Okay, I'm with you. No, I was like, I want to tell you, but then maybe you told me I'm already done. Oh, I've got that. Okay, I got you. Okay, yeah.
How to start?
We
You guide us.
Yeah, we will. We need to get that's preliminary stuff first, but yeah, all of that has to happen. So studies, then structure, then utility distribution systems, underwater utilities distribution systems, main power supply hubs, plumbing, sanitary,
Yes.
firefighting, any local jurisdictional requirements. We do this in phases. So we do an initial due diligence phase where we know everything about a site and everything about a project, and we would present that to you. And we say, this is what we know, this is what's required, this would be our action plan.
We need project turnkey. This is our job.
Okay. So it starts off with due diligence. From that point, we present to you fact-finding research. Then you've already got schematic design, so this is the design, that's done. We apply the research to the design, so it becomes more realistic, that's design development. From design development, we go through a series of approvals or layers of different vendors that make the project more real, essentially. From that point, we take it to construction documents, meaning this is a set of buildable plans that your contractors, you guys will build from. Permitting jurisdictions, I'm not sure who's gonna permit this, but we'll find out who your approvals go by. I don't know who your approvals, if it's a government project. If it's a government project, maybe there's no approvals, or maybe they're more stringent, but we'll find out for you exactly what you're gonna need, because there could be layers of like ecosystem
So
protection.
difficult part in this project.
Yeah.
But the other building we have design.
You have the other, did you already go through the amphitheater?
Yes, we can do.
The amphitheater is already done, right? It's under construction?
All this
All the other
building,
building
we
we
have
have design, we have the full design, and also we have bill of quantity for this whole building. But the difficult part is the shading.
Okay. Yeah, that's right, yeah.
Only we have architect.
So let us take that on. Let us give you the proposal, at least for the due diligence part.
So what do you need
We'll need
to give us your position?
any of the documents that you have that you think would help us understand it better.
Okay.
So that way we're not going through this, do you have this, do you have this?
Take your time.
Like just tell us what you have, because it's ours to lose,
We have
really.
a full design for open.
Yeah. Send us that just so we know. Like, we don't, because we're gonna go through everything. We'll do our due diligence, then we can at least put together a package for you just for the chalets. So there's 36 chalets, and then there's 2 royal suites, right? 2 royal chalets, right? So 38 total. We'll give you just a lump sum for all of those. There could be some cost savings between the 36, between all of them, right? That's applied to everything.
Yes.
And then a price for the individual documentation. And then you can just tell us if this is it or not.
32 same design.
36.
Same design?
36 same design. And only two is royal.
So none of them take into account like the direction of the sun or shading or anything like that? Wind? No wind studies or anything?
We
Okay.
must put in our calculations the wind direction. All of them.
Yes.
We must put in that, but he didn't speak about it after this, because that I told you before,
Okay.
must put in some element in our calculation. This is arrangement.
So we will send the all documents to you.
Yes. Me and Raneem send it to us.
Okay.
We'll go through it. We can get you a proposal probably in a week, maybe. This is fast, pretty fast.
If you can give me partial.
Partial numbers?
Yes,
Okay.
about, first about Shelly.
Okay.
Your just about how we can make it as a material, the weight, courses.
Okay.
Because it's critical point now for me.
Yeah. It's very unique, very unique situation here. I mean, we have a lot of large experience at different types of projects, water park, water type projects, but residential, rented. Okay, yeah, rented here. So then it's not really.
5-star hotel.
Okay. That's great.
Food and beverage.
Yes.
Building, yes.
So we can do this later, right? We can do this one later.
The first building we will start with.
This is the very first one.
Yes.
Okay. So we can give you a quote for full design construction documents for this? Construction documents, okay.
And your value engineering about this, you just about value engineering.
Engineering, all the engineering, all the,
Because we need to low budget for this project.
okay.
Same design, same outside design.
Low budget,
Keep it.
value engineered.
Keep it outside, the same. But
Okay.
inside, you can do everything you can.
David, this project I feel loyal to.
You feel loyal to this
Yeah,
one? Okay.
Because it overlooks my father's house.
Oh,
So
Alamo
And
Heights.
whenever I go there in the past 30 years, I feel bad that why it is not what it is to come right now.
Okay.
Okay, because it's worth the location is the best location in Eastern Province, I think.
Yeah.
The best location.
Well, we certainly have a lot of experience with design build. I've been doing design build for 10 years, and that's my best way to work. I like to do it. I like to value engineer while I'm working, while I'm doing it. So yeah.
It's your job now.
Let's do it. Just give me your headache. Give it to
It's
me.
your baby.
I'll take it. So F&B, full turnkey, structural, mechanical, electrical, plumbing, architecture, landscape, civil.
And keep in mind, this whole chalet for electromechanical is all connected with the island,
Yeah.
specific level.
Okay.
How we can do it, I don't know, up to now, but we can study.
Like I said, send me everything. If we have questions, RFIs, we'll send them to you. We'll send any issues that we come up across, any forks in the road, to be able to get this to you as quickly as possible. So,
This is around 700 meters away from 7. It overlooks 7 project.
oh, really? Right there?
You are approved by 7.
Yeah,
Your
right there.
office is in 7, you can go by walking distance to this.
Yeah? Oh, that's nice. Okay.
Now approved 7.
Do you have a
He
restaurant?
can take his jet ski and come to us only.
Do you have a restaurant picked out already or no?
Yes.
This is a restaurant? Okay. Shark food? You could put a Delilah there or something.
Yeah.
We have everything, everything inside.
You wanna follow the same interior design, not changes.
Keep it outside the city.
Okay, but
Inside,
interior.
change everything you need.
Okay.
Inside is complete.
Ladies
value.
club, we have a massage room.
Yeah.
We have also we have gym for ladies. We have a resort for ladies. Everything. Keep in mind that we need the low budget for this project.
Sure.
This the owner ask, not us.
No, we're
5-star, low budget, high
No,
quality with low.
5-star. This is different. This is the resort.
food and
The
beverage.
other building.
There's a food
Okay.
and there's a chalets and then there's the
Because
food
you
and
have
beverage.
already the design and full design for the other building.
Okay.
Okay, so we will start with the value engineering. But the resort, full package. You see.
Okay. Got you.
We can arrange a lot of meeting if we need. And
Yeah.
we will send the whole package for you.
Okay.
You download it and study everything. And whatever you need, we will do.
All right. So maybe by the end of the week, we'll have some early numbers for you. Early due diligence numbers on the chalet, early ROM numbers on the food and beverage project, 11/28. Then we can get final numbers on December 5th, final. And we can start before a contract if you'd like. We just we'll give you the proposal. You just tell us how you
We
like it.
should start this.
And if it's an urgent, just tell us what the schedule is. If you have one already picked out, if you've already got the dates, the critical dates that we can follow, that'll help us to understand, what's required, staffing, how fast we need to go.
When is it today?
Anything you have, yeah. Like I said, all of that will be helpful. That just give us the information so that we can process it, and then we will give you the best price based on that information. What else? Schedule, scope is good, schedule is good, budget. You just tell us.
Service uses fire.
Now we talk about the budget for the so what the budget?
What's the budget for the design? That would be good.
Until now I didn't have budget. I have
Open budget.
How do we value
Okay,
engineer?
what, 3 million. It's okay for you?
3 million is fine. 3 million's good. Let's just do 3 million. We'll give you everything you need for 3 million.
Until now I didn't because I know study with another 2 or 3 office here in Saudi Arabia and they give us price and I want to see your quotation.
Sure, sure. How about the budget for the food and beverage, the construction budget? Where are you at right now and where do you want to go for the food and beverage building?
Couldn't remember.
Just like how much can we shave off and then we'll know what the price range is for that.
I think I have budget already to my contractors
Mm.
development, but now we searching about how to
make it the minimum, most
but
cost
they
effective.
didn't until now they didn't have actual percentage.
What about like, would you do interior framing? Like instead of CMU block framing, do like slight gauge steel framing?
As I think they have shorts for this interior and they didn't need to change.
Okay. Okay. Well, we have the we'll get the timeline from you. We've got the scope. We'll send you our pricing, and we'll hit the ground running. Yeah.
No, I will send the mapping from
Send it for Mr. David and
Renee.
Mr.
Thank you, gentlemen.